Good morning. I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. And our weather headlines: dry and sunny conditions through Tuesday. And that includes Tuesday. And then a major warm up is going to be starting on Monday. Yes, we got into the 80s. And then a midweek system to bring some showers and some thunderstorms. For your dog walking forecast, gear your fur baby up and get out there. It's going to be a beautiful day today. Look at all of this sunshine. Temperatures a little bit nippy to start. We're starting out in the 50s, but by lunchtime, we're in the 60s. And then here's a look at 5 p.m. We're in the 70s. Some of you will just top out at 69, but some of you will see that 70. So yeah, it's a great day to get out there and walk the dog wherever. Just pick a dart and just land on it and go for it. But for today, here's a look at our futurecast. Not much of anything going on. We like to see these days. That means lots of sunshine, just clear skies there. And that's 11 a.m. I advanced to 4 p.m. Same situation. So it's one of those days. Yeah, it's beautiful. And even late tonight, here's a look overnight into Monday. Here's 2 a.m. Still clear skies. So I'm going to say, if you've been putting it off, go ahead and wash the car. Yeah, today's a good day for it. Monday and also Tuesday are good days for it as well. For today, we've got that high of 69 degrees, sunny skies, winds out of the northwest at 11 miles an hour. Tonight, we'll see an overnight low of 45 degrees, mostly clear skies, winds out of the southwest at 9 miles an hour. Tomorrow, 82 degrees. I love it. And some sunshine. We get it all tomorrow. We get our cake and eat it too tomorrow. So yes, I am looking forward to that. We'll see winds out of the southwest at 9 miles an hour for tomorrow. But yes, it's going to be a beautiful one. And Tuesday's a repeat, but even better. Look at this. We get to 85 degrees on Tuesday, and we still got our good old friend, the sunshine. Now, we're still in the 80s for Wednesday, but we have a low pressure system that moves in, is going to bring some rain and also some very likely thunderstorm potential for Wednesday and Thursday as well. We could be looking at heavy rainfall with this system. We'll be tracking as we get a little bit close to it. But yes, I want to get this on your radar for now, Wednesday and Thursday. And then we dry back out for Friday. Mostly cloudy for Friday, but I think we'll see a few lingering showers pop up early on Friday before we, get really dry. And then Saturday, hey, we're mostly sunny. We get the sunshine back and temperatures are nicely in the 70s. So that's nothing to sneeze at either. Next Saturday looks pretty nice. So that's going to do it right now for your Fox 47 weather. I will let you get back to our news.